Hello and welcome back to my channel. Bienvenidos a mi canal de YouTube. For today's video, you are going to pack with me with my makeup. I have not packed my makeup for my trip to Mexico, so let's get to packing. And I'm going to share with you some favorite products of mine as well in this video, especially because, girl, we need makeup regardless of the heat, the hot summer body heat. We need makeup, even if it's the simple essentials. The makeup bag that I'm going to be taking with me, it's pretty big, but I'm definitely going to try not to fill it up. I'm going to try not to fill it up because I don't need that much makeup. Está súper caloroso y no necesito tanto maquillaje, but you know, you never know. So beauty essentials, number one is these little razors. Must needed with traveling whenever you want to do your eyebrows, and you know, the stash, of course. So we have that para rasurarme un poquito. Kind of low on this one. I have another moisturizer that I don't have my hands on right now, but I'm going to add as well. Foundation, we need foundation. I also have a sunscreen, good for a primer, and I have to check how much ounces it could be for a carry-on, because we're gonna add everything into carry-on. So the limit of liquid gels and pastes are 3.4 ounces. So this is good. Place the items in one Ziploc bag. I love this L'Oreal foundation. Super Stay. When you sweat, you sweat. Cuando sudas mucho, este base queda como si no estás sudando. Este base es súper excelente para que cuando estás afuera hay mucha humedad. So espero que me queda bien allá en Mexico. Fingers crossed. We'll see. I don't know yet. My must-have go-to always is my eye cream. I cannot live without my eye cream. I'm gonna be using this every day because if I don't put foundation on, I'm gonna be putting this eye cream and moisturizing my face with sunscreen, of course, because it's absolutely necessary. And we need a brightening cream because I'm gonna be busy. So I have that. This is not a beauty product, but this is a must-have. This is for any chafing. So if you do have rubbing of your skin between your thighs, big girl, you know, big girl thighs here, you need this. So this gel helps with any push back onto skin to skin, and it's smoothing, so you don't have that skin to skin. Este crema clara es perfecto para poner en medio de tus piernas. Si has tenido ese, cuando tus piernas están tocando y te da un poco de irritación, ¿cómo se dice? Irritation. So if you have that irritation, you don't have this with this cream. So this is a must-have. It's not makeup, but it is a product that you need. I'm gonna be taking, just in case, the One Size Beauty primer for pores. Right now my minimal pores is just on my nose. La preparación antes de la base, ponemos un primer. I'm also going to take my One Size Beauty foundation. This is a tinted, so it's not very heavily. I'm gonna take this because I know this one's great for the heat, but this isn't too much. Este es bueno para el calor, pero este base es solamente un poquito de cobertura, no te cubre todo. So voy a llevar los dos. I'm gonna be taking these beauty essentials because I know there's times I'm gonna be like super not in it and with it, and I just need to clean my face and just smooth it out. So this is awesome to have. You have these at my Amazon storefront, so if you want to check them out. Never go wrong with this lip liner. This is actually a very pretty nude lip liner. Highly recommend. This is the Maybelline Color Sensational Lip Shaping 105 Nude Whisper. For my eyelids base, I'm not gonna worry too much about it because I know I'm gonna sweat and I'm gonna go crazy, so I'm not really gonna focus so much on my eyelids. But I'm gonna take these two bases, but this is the Louis Rumor and the NYX glitter in case I wanna do a little glitter. Son los bases para los colores que voy a poner en mis ojos. I need this. This is our brow palette. So I have all the colors here. It's a must have. So if you don't have the Benefit brow palette, what are you doing? Actually, I'm gonna need a new one soon, but it works for now. It has everything. Blush. I've been using a lot of this Makeup Revolution blush. I don't know if they're still available, but it's super pigmented. It's a nice blush color, very natural. I'm not really a fan of this color. It's kind of a purple red, but I'm gonna take it just in case. This is the 617 Velvet Teddy. I'm gonna take this nude. The Benefit Lash Mascara. There's not much product on it, but again, this is only if I actually need it. I cannot forget my dual eyelash glue, so pegamento para las pestañas, which I don't know which pestañas I'm gonna take. I might take a whole row of pestañas, we'll see. But I always need glue. I'm like processing as I like put everything here. I forget the eyebrow dip. Cannot live without my Fenty Beauty Contour Stick, so we're going to be taking my Fenty Beauty Contour Stick, and this is in the shade Mocha. 2 pairs because you never know, and my tweezers are a mess right now, so I'm only going to use it a couple times, and this bottle is going to be done by the end of my trip. So I'm going to take the setting spray. I'm going to be taking this travel size Huda powder. I'm going to go towards a more neutral colors over there in Mexico, so I'm just going to take one palette, just a neutral palette with the Madison Beer. This is the Channel palette. So we have a lot of neutrals and we have a black, so we're just gonna go with this palette. If I want to do a fun color, which I might honestly want to do like an orange, oh my gosh, thinking about it now, I probably want to do an orange and a bright pink. I'll have to pack another one, but for now this is all I'm taking. Thank you for joining me and packing my makeup bag with me for my trip to Mexico. I hope you have a beautiful day, and let me know in the comment section if you have favorite products here, which ones are your favorite products, and travel to Mexico or another country, what are your must-have products you cannot travel without? Share in the comments below. Thank you for joining, and until next time.